Hi guys. Okay, today we're going to be unboxing the Sephora Play Box for the month of June. I'm very excited about this. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything for the box. My hair is very frizzy today. Jeez, oh Pete's. Let me tell you what's on my lips. Today I'm wearing the Palladio Matte Liquid Lip Color in Georgia. I love this formula of lip products and this color is gorgeous. But today, like I said, we're going to be unboxing Sephora Play. And if you're unfamiliar with Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription. You get 5 beauty samples with 1 bonus product, which is usually a perfume sample or a foil packet. And Sephora Play is very hit or miss, honestly. Some months are great. Some months are all repeat products. Some months are just not good. But let's just cut right into this. I'm very excited. Okay. So this is what it looks like, and it says show off and share using hashtags Sephora Play, and then you always get a little pamphlet that if I open it will spoil all the surprises in here, and you always get 50 beauty insider points to redeem in stores or online. And then on the back it looks like this theme is Destination Beauty. And so it's just got a little bit about some different products and how to use them. And then this month they gave us an orange bag, which is a little different, but it says work hard, play harder. And it's a little clear bag. I kind of don't know why they gave us an orange one for a summer and spring, but okay, let's just pull out the first thing, which is a foil packet. So I'm assuming this is our extra. And this is in another little baggie. That's weird. But it's by Chlorane, and it's an anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner. I don't mind these little samples, I use them, but you know, you can't really tell if you love them or not getting samples like this, but it does show you what the full-size bottle would look like, and I'm not mad at it. I'd rather get, personally, in my personal preference, I would rather get a shampoo and conditioner sample than a perfume sample, because I'm not a perfume person. But this says Chlorane, it's the bonus, anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner with aquatic mint. Ooh, I love mint, so that should be really nice. It says sometimes your hair can use a little detox too. Enter this purifying shampoo and conditioner duo. Need to know brand. Beauty meets botany, born in the southwest of France. Chlorane has botanical goodness in every drop of its nurturing plant-based formulas. So that's really, really good. Okay, I'm sorry if you hear background noise. They are currently mowing the lawn outside and they're loud as heck. But that is really, really nice and I'm very excited about that. Like I said, I'd rather get hair care, like shampoo and conditioner, than perfume. Let's just pull up the next thing. Okay, this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a repeat product. I've gotten this before in Sephora Play, which, I mean, I'm not mad at, because this is a decent sample, and this lip sleeping mask is pretty expensive for what it is. It does have a false bottom though, so you're not getting as much as you think. But it's a really, really good lip sleeping mask. I keep one by my bedside table, and I use it before bed and just apply it. It's really good. It does the job great, and it works wonders. I'm not mad that I got that as a repeat, but it is a repeat. I've been subscribed for over a year, well over a year and a half, and gotten quite a few repeat products. That's just something to keep in mind if this is a box you're looking into. Let's just pull out the next thing, which is, oh, okay, by Sephora. It's the AHYA Acid Hyaluronic Acid Super Hydrant All Day It's a hydrating thing. It just says hydrate. It says hydration, hydration, hydrate and glow. It says that a lot on this box. So I don't know what this is, but something to do with hydration. I still don't know what this is. It has really no information on it. This is what the bottle looks like. Okay, so let's grab the card because that has no information on it. It just says hydrate a million times. Sephora Collection All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. Heading out for the spur of the moment trip, make sure you pack at least one of the essentials, like this Weightless Daily Moisturizer. Okay, so it's a moisturizer, hydrating, glowy moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. Get the ingredients. Hyaluronic acid helps with water retention to prevent dehydration. Vitamin E and C increase radiance and nurture skin. Glycerin moisturizes like a flow, and it is a And it is a Sephora Play exclusive, it says, or Sephora exclusive. That's not bad, but a lot of people who have this box have this rant, but they've never included a full-size Sephora brand product in their own box, which it's like, come on, it's your box. Can you at least give us a full-size eyeliner? Like something. It's your brand that's creating this box, and they still give us samples. You can't be mad at it because you are getting what you pay for, but it would be nice to receive a full-size Sephora product once in a while. This does feel really, really full though, so that is really good. And then let's read the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, because I didn't read that. It says, Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Original Berry. When holidaying, use any excuse to sleep in a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize. Wake me up in an hour. Need to know brand. A leader in the K-beauty scene for more than 20 years, Laneige steps up their skincare with hydro-ionized mineral water that delivers intense moisturization. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. Oh, okay, this is by Pharmacy. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I have a full size of this. I haven't used it yet because I'm not the biggest balm person, but I am trying to use the few balms I have in my collection up. So I definitely will use the sample before I use the full size, because if I don't like the sample, there's no point in wasting the full size. But this is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away, Cleansing Balm, and it is green. It looks like that. Has a slight minty smell to it. I don't mind it. Let's read about it. It says Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. Sunflower, ginger root, turmeric, papaya. No, it's not ingredients for a cold pressed juice. It's a cleansing balm that removes all makeup and leaves skin feeling silky smooth. How to use. Warm up a generous amount in your fingertips. Massage into skin with gentle circular motions, focusing on areas that need attention like eye makeup. Wash off with warm water or remove with a damp cloth. And it says it's award-winning Sephora exclusive. Okay, we still have 2 products in here. Next we have, this is by Tarte. It's the High Performance Natural Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation with Broad Spectrum 20 SPF. This is a new foundation, and they included that in there. That is pretty great. I got the shade 16S Fair Light Sand, which I don't know if that's gonna be my shade. And I do have on my profile that I have like the fairest skin that they offer, because a lot of the times when I got foundation samples, it was like 3 shades too dark. So I did put that I have super, super, super fair skin. And I mean, it's summertime. I'm gonna get a little more tan. I might be able to use this, but I'm super excited to try this foundation. I've been wanting to try this like crazy because I've heard really good things about it. I'm super excited about that. Let's see. It says Tarte Babasu Found Sealer Skincare Foundation SPF 20 and 16S. The only thing that needs to work hard when you're on PTO is your foundation. That's why this multitasking formula is a first-class favorite. How to use. Sheer to light coverage. Smooth it on with fingertips. Light to medium coverage. Tap it on with a moist beauty sponge. Medium coverage. Buff it on with the foundation brush. And it says it was chosen for my skin tone. It's new, and it's a Sephora Play or Sephora exclusive. I'm not quite sure. And it looks like the last thing we have is a Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mask. You guys, this is a glass bottle. This is a good set. You guys, okay. I really like this month. I gotta say, this is probably one of the best Sephora Play boxes we've gotten in a long time. This is a hydrating spray. It says directions: shake before use, post cleansing, generously mist face and allow to absorb. And it says Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. For an instant vacation, combine soothing coconut water, youth boosting hibiscus, and toning rose, then mist skin like there's no tomorrow, and then how to use. So let's smell this because I love a good facial spray. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wish it smelled a lot more like coconut instead of rose. Rose is not my favorite scent in the world, but I'll put up with it. I will definitely be giving this a try because, like I just said, I love any sort of facial sprays, setting sprays, primer sprays, just sprays in general. I love them. They help hydrate my skin and make my skin not look dry and cakey, which I do have dry skin, so it's easy to do. But let's recap, because we got this, which is How many fluid ounces is this? Okay, well, it doesn't say how many fluid ounces, but that's a decent sized sample. And then we got the pharmacy one, which is 0.4 fluid ounces. Not bad. You can give it a decent try. And then the Tarte Found Sealer, which is 0.17 fluid ounces. Again, not a bad sample. This, which is 10 milliliters, which is 0.33 fluid ounces, which is not bad, but it is a Sephora brand product. Maybe they could have made it a little bigger, but... And then a repeat product, which is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. However, I'm not mad at it at all because this is a really great lip sleeping mask, and it's like 20-something bucks for full size. And then the bonus product was a shampoo and conditioner. Again, I would rather prefer a shampoo and conditioner over a perfume sample. You guys, I loved this Sephora Play Box. I have to say, I've been wanting to try this foundation for so long. Really love this stuff. I love a good facial spray. I'm happy I got this because I can try this out before I use my full size. Love a good shampoo and conditioner, and I love a good glowy moisturizer. I love it. I don't know how many times I can say that, but I love it. But that is all. If you guys are interested in this box, I will have a sign up link in the description box below, at the very top of the description box. Also, if you guys do not know this, I have a Twitter giveaway going on right now. I have a picture of it right here and my Twitter handle right here, and my social media handles are always at the end of my videos. The giveaway is open until June 28th, which is a Friday. Definitely check it out because there are some good things in there. It's very easy to enter. All you have to do is follow me on Twitter and like the post. And leave a comment, and you'll also get an extra entry if you are subscribed to this channel, which if you're coming from this channel to Twitter, you best be subscribed. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And again, subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you, and you want to see more of my lovely face, you can follow me on all my social media at the end of this video. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.